stopping first on a Spar to buy some food. Bus kalbi hasbay. Inside the store of Spar. So many candies here, guys. Pili lang kayo kung ano yung gusto nyong candy. Yan, soda. Check ko yung price kung gaano kamahal. Where we should go? We should go to the burger area. Over there? Yeah, pili lang kayo. Andun, pupunta kami sa burger area. Here, burger. Pili lang. Who's a hamburger?
To a spicy burger.
Yeah, I get spicy. Ayan, pili. 49. How much is the burger thing?
40.
Now I get this chicken.
49.
Return the chicken burger. I get the chicken. Ayan. How much is this?
69 for that.
How much?
70.
70. This is 50. Better get this one. We can eat together. Yeah. No, you can have also that one and this one. It's not enough for you. So we can get that one. Ayan. Yeah. We get some soda here. Sampo naka-sale. I don't know. You decide, Okay. Whatever. Oh, they got it for 10.
2 for 10.
2 for 10. Why don't we just get this one? It's not
Without sugar.
okay.
That is with sugar.
The same price. Do you like it or you like that big one? Maybe it's not. Maybe this is not enough for us. Saka dami-dami. Oh. Yeah, I think it's more cheaper.
15.
How much is that?
15, 16 for that.
So you decide. It's you who decide. That one.
We take bottle.
Just leave the bottle there. Here.
We buy it.
Huh?
We buy that also.
We buy that also? Okay. Ang daming laruan, anak. Anika, para sa'yo to. Miguel, para yan sa inyo. Ice cream. No need na Spain for the bag anymore. You still need a bag?
No.
Yeah.